Innovation is almost always an exploratory task. It's often untidy, full of missteps, blind alleys, and changes in direction. It would be nice if innovation was as straightforward as taking an idea from the cloud of infinite potential and turning it into a thingy for the marketplace. But in reality, innovators often start with a great idea, and with a little research, they begin to build. But as they get closer to realizing a final product, they unearth more and more questions about what they're trying to do. Ideally, businesses and innovators would find ways of driving that questioning to a much earlier phase of a project, when they're still working on paper or with prototypes, and before committing significant resource to making stuff. The KTN, where between us we have several hundred years of experience of innovation in business, has created the Innovation Canvas for that purpose. The canvas is designed to help us and the businesses we work with gauge the strengths and weaknesses of a specific innovation project in development, to identify immediate challenges and make clear decisions about what needs to be done as a priority to make progress. Our model of innovation consists of three key drivers: the innovator's ability to develop and deliver the innovation, their capability; the perception of an opportunity, something that can be done or made that will meet a need or create value; the opportunity; and an approach to meeting that need that delivers specific benefits to the user, the offer. It's a key principle of the thinking behind the canvas that the innovation journey can start with any one of these drivers. There's no consistent starting point or step-by-step methodology. Innovation is not a linear process. We've adopted the metaphor of a canvas because it suggests an iterative, creative process that may involve initial sketches, false starts, rubbing out, reworking, constant attention to detail, and so on. We've created two versions of the Innovation Canvas. There's a paper version for use by an individual with a colleague or in a workshop, and an online version, which lends itself to refining an individual's perspective on the challenges that they face. From our experience, the Innovation Canvas works extremely well as a stimulus for discussion with colleagues, and in a workshop situation, to answer the important questions early in the innovation process, and to identify key challenges that have to be overcome. By scoring each component of the drivers, you can build up a picture of a project's weaknesses and strengths in a relatively short space of time. We want you to find out where it hurts and where you need to pay attention. By helping to clarify risks and remove uncertainty, the Canvas is a powerful tool to strengthen an innovation project quickly.